Hey there, so let's just dive right into this explainer. We're going to look at exactly how to make those insanely addictive, viral mini rescue AI videos, and we're going to do it in just 5 minutes. If you spend any time on TikTok, YouTube Shorts, or Reels, you've absolutely seen these popping up, right? They are just racking up millions of views. So think of me as your personal content coach today. I'm going to show you the exact industry secrets to mastering this specific niche. And the best part? You don't need to know a single line of code, and you don't need any complex editing skills. Honestly, as long as you've got a phone or a PC, we are good to go. Real quick, here's our roadmap for today. We'll start with the viral rescue trend itself, then move into part 1, which is this really cool ChatGPT hack. After that, part 2 covers Flow AI images, part 3 is animating the video, and finally, we'll wrap up with troubleshooting and some post-production polish.
Alright, section 1, the viral rescue trend. Now, what's really fascinating here is the psychology behind the trend. These simple, highly emotional rescue scenarios are literally dominating feeds everywhere. The narrative structure is just incredible for maximizing user retention. You've got this tiny subject, like a little boy or a small animal, facing some impossible danger. And just when things look totally hopeless, this giant, godlike hand swoops into the frame to save the day. It is the absolute ultimate visual storytelling hook, and it grabs your viewer's attention within those crucial first 3 seconds.
And again, the craziest part about all of this, the whole process takes about 5 minutes. You are essentially stepping into the director's chair here. You're letting these powerful AI engines handle all the heavy lifting, the set design, the lighting, the animation, while you just naturally guide the vision.
Let's move on to section 2. Part 1, the ChatGPT hack.
Okay, so follow these exact steps to find the custom GPT that's going to brainstorm for us. You'll open up your ChatGPT menu, click on Explore GPTs, and in that search bar, you're going to type Mini Rescue Generator. You can also try it as one word, Mini Rescue, and just hit Start on the tool that pops up. This specialized tool is pre-trained on exactly what makes these rescue videos go completely viral. Now, here is a massive secret for efficient batch generation. You need to type this exact phrase into the prompt: English Myanmar language. I know it sounds a little random, but doing this instantly generates almost 100 bilingual scenario designs and prompts. It is a fantastic shortcut. It spits out dozens of ideas, complete with the exact English prompts you're going to need later on. And hey, if you aren't feeling the first batch, just type it again, and boom, 10 more totally fresh, engaging ideas ready to go.
For our explainer today, we're going to select scenario number 5 from that list, the terrifying volcano lava rescue. This is honestly a textbook example of structuring a narrative for maximum emotional impact. The stakes are sky high, the visuals are naturally super bright and contrasting, and it immediately makes the viewer feel worried for the tiny subject. Plus, the GPT hands us both the image prompt and the video prompt for this exact scene on a silver platter.
Moving right along to section 3, part 2, Flow AI images. Now, while you absolutely can use tools like Luma Dream Machine or Kling AI, today we're going to set up a Flow AI dashboard. Make sure you use these exact settings. Notice step 2, setting the vertical format, the 9:16 ratio. Guys, this is non-negotiable. You have to address the specific needs of social media audiences who are watching on mobile devices. And setting that image count to 4, that gives us a nice batch of variations to choose from so we get the most natural-looking starting point possible.
Next, you're just going to copy and paste the exact image prompt the ChatGPT gave us right into Flow AI. This perfectly illustrates how to optimize your prompt precision. We aren't just saying, boy in lava. We're specifying a cinematic shot, a tiny, detailed young boy looking up in terror, and a 3D animation style. Nailing down these incredibly specific details is exactly how you avoid common AI generation errors and keep your visual consistency on point.
Okay, section 4. Troubleshooting. Image selection.
Before we animate, we really need to understand how these AI physics engines actually think. Take a look at these 2 examples. You absolutely have to pick an image that has enough empty space at the top. If your tiny boy takes up the whole frame, like in our bad choice example over there, there's literally 0 room for the AI to drop a giant hand into the shot naturally. The good choice leaves tons of breathing room or negative space in the sky. That allows the hand to swoop down smoothly without totally warping the whole image. Once you spot that perfect choice, save it to your device.
Section 5, Part 3, Animating the video. Let's get things moving. Just follow these 4 clicks to upload that spacious image into the animation engine. You'll go into Flow AI's video settings. Now, here's a technical checklist tip. always make sure you select an advanced model like Model 3.1 or LumaRay 3.1 if you're on that platform. It is absolutely vital for getting realistic motion. Upload your image and get ready to give the AI its marching orders.
You're going to paste your precise video prompt, again, straight from our ChatGPT hack, right into the text box. I really want you to notice the explicit movement settings here. Enters from the top of the frame, gently scooping, camera pans down smoothly, and realistic physics. By locking in those specific commands, we guarantee the pacing is spot on, which keeps viewers hooked without the animation glitching out or looking silly.
Hit generate. But listen, once it's done, always play it back to verify the physics before you download. Ask yourself, does the lava flow naturally? Does the hand actually look like it's securing the buoy? If it looks awesome, click download. If it's a bit wonky, no stress at all. This is where you simply tweak and regenerate.
And finally, Section 6, Post-Production Polish. This is where we sequence our clips into a real mini-movie. You're going to want to combine your rescue clip with a happy ending follow-up clip of the boys safe on dry land. Bring both of those into a mobile app like CapCut. Now here's the industry secret for maximizing engagement. Script some highly emotional dialogue. Add a voiceover shouting something like, "Hurry, we are saved, the lava stopped," and then layer some thrilling, intense background music underneath it all. That emotional payoff is exactly what drives the shares and the saves on social media.
Well, there you have it. You've got the complete blueprint, the secret ChatGPT prompts, and the technical settings to verify. So the only question I have left for you is, what impossible danger will your giant hand rescue next? Is it going to be a puppy stuck on a crumbling skyscraper, or maybe a tiny kitten in a stormy sea? Get out there, test those prompts, and start building your very own viral rescue universe.